Welcome to another video. So we are required to find the value of x given that 5 raised to x plus 1 plus 5 raised to x minus 1 should give us 100. So good people, wherever you're watching us, you're welcome. If you're watching us for the first time, remember to subscribe, like, comment, share, turn your notification on. I'm going to take you through step by step on how to find the value of x and, if possible, verify. So straight away on the solution part, I'm going to start by the prediction. Am I able to find the value of x which satisfies this particular equation? Let us say if x is 0, then this equation is going to change to, that is 0 plus 1, 5 power 1, plus of course 0 minus 1, of course that is negative 1. Adding this, I'm going to get 5 and a fifth, which is not 100. So let us test if x is equals to 1. So when x is equals to 1, this is going to change to 5 to the power 2, add 5 to the power 1. When I take 2, it's going to be 1, meaning this changes to, that is 25 plus 5, that is of course 30. So we can go ahead. When x is equals to 2, then this becomes 5 to the power 3, and when I put 3 here, I'm gonna get 5 to the power 2. So meaning that this gives me 125 plus 5 squared. I'm gonna get, that is of course 150, which is a way much. So from this particular prediction, it is clear to see that x is in the range between 1 and 2. So let us go ahead and find the actual value of x, which was required. Step 1, if I have a raised to m plus n according to the laws of exponents, then this can be separated as a raised to n multiplied by a raised to n. And when you have a raised to m minus n, then according to the law of exponent, this gives me a raised to m divided by a raised to n. So when it is subtraction, it is division. When it is addition, it is multiplication. So applying that law there, I'm going to have 5 to the x multiplied by 5 to power 1, add 5 to the power x divided by 5 to the power 1, should give me 100. So it is very easy to see that 5 to the power x is there. Next, I'm going to let 5 to the power x be any letter. I'm going to call it m, so that this changes to the 5m, add m divided by 5 should give you 100. At this stage, I'm going to cross multiply all through by 5, so that this equation changes to 25m plus m should give me 500. So when you add 25 plus m, you're gonna get 26m should be equals to 500. So dividing this to get m, I'm gonna divide all through by 26, so that the value of m now becomes 500 divided by 26. This can be simplified as m is equals to 250 divided by. So you're going to recall that you said m is equals to 5 to the power x, and we've managed to find m is equals to 250 divided by 13. So this, I'm going to equate 5 to the x should be equals to 250 divided by 13. So next step, for me to get x, I'm going to introduce the logs on both sides so that I have the log of 5 to the x is equals to the log of 250 divided by 13. And recall from that particular point at this stage, when the numbers are divided, then the powers can be separated by subtraction so that I have x to the log of 5 is equals to the log of 250 minus the log of 13, so that the value of x now becomes the log of 250. I'm going to divide all through by log 5 minus log 13 divided by log 5. So guys, if you're still watching us, kindly take a time, subscribe to this channel, like this video, share it. Thank you. So I'm going to separate 250 in terms of its factors as the log of 5 to the power 3 multiplied by 2. Of course, 5 to the power 3 is 125 times 2 is 250 divided by log 5 minus the log of 13 divided by the log of 5. This can be separated as x is equals to the log of 5 to the 3 plus the log of 2. Of course, the base is log 5 minus log 13 divided by log 5. This can be simplified as x is equals to 3 comes here as 3 to the log 5 divided by the log 5 plus log 2 divided by log 5 minus log 13 divided by log 5. This and this cancels, and then the value of x becomes 3, of course, plus when the base is also a log, this comes up as the log of 2 to the base 5 minus the log of 13 to the base 5 as the required, which is approximately equals to, when you solve this punching in your scientific calculator, you're gonna get 1.837, which was indeed in the range of 1 to 2. So you can go ahead and verify the value of x. I know that 5 raised to x plus 1 plus 5 raised to x minus 1 is equals to 100. So wherever we have x, we're going to substitute this. And when you take 3 plus the log of this minus this, add it to 1, then this part going to change to the 5. Of course, this 1 and this 3 changes to 4. Plus log 2 base 5 minus log 13 base 5 plus, when you take this negative 1 and this, then the power going to reduce to 5 to the power 2. Then the log 2 base 5 minus log 13 base 5 We want to test if it's gonna give us 100. So the powers are added, so this is gonna change to the 5 to the power 4, multiply by 5 to the log of 2 base 5, divide by 5 to the log of 13 base 5. Of course, plus on this side, opening the powers, I'm gonna get 5 to the power 2, multiply by 5 to the log of 2 base 5, divide by 5 to the log 13 base 5. Should give me 100. So recall that when you have a raised to the log of b base a, since the bases are the same, then this equation changes to b. Applying that law there, there, and there, and there, I'm going to end up with 5 to the power 4. This and this cancels, multiply by 2, divide by 13. This and this changes to 5 to the power 2, multiply by 2, divide by 13, should give me 100. So 5 to the power 4 is 625 times 2. I'm gonna get 1250 divided by 13 plus 5 to the power 2 is 25 times 2 is 50 divided by 13 equals to 100. Of course, when you add 1250 plus 50, you get 1300. Divide by 13, and when you do that, your answer should give you 100. Of course, dividing this and this, you end up with 100 is equals to 100. Hence, the proof for our answer. Thank you for watching up to this particular point. Kindly remember to subscribe, share, comment. Thank you. Let's meet in the next one.